Welcome to Gako Military Academy, one of the most important military training schools in Rwanda. This academy trains military officers to become skilled, disciplined, and responsible leaders. Here in Gako, students learn leadership, military tactics, physical fitness, and how to protect their country with honor. Training is not easy. Every day, cadets face with physical exercises, classroom lessons, field training, and teamwork. These challenges help them to become confident, strong, and ready for real-life missions. This academy also teaches values such as discipline, integrity, respect, and service to the nation. These values are just as important as military skills, especially RDF. Many graduates of Gako Military Academy go on to serve in the Rwanda Defense Force (RDF), taking part in national security and international peacekeeping missions. Gako Military Academy is more than military school. It is a place where ordinary men and women are trained to become professional military leaders, ready to serve their country with courage and dedication. So now let's begin and discover the remarkable life of the cadets at Gako Military Academy. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. This is the beginning.
Welcome to Documentaries Empire. Subscribe now.
Here we have been attending officer basic military training, which varies from military discipline, military studies, combat readiness, leadership, command and control, to list but a few. It is a course that requires not only physical endurance but also mental endurance.
I am Officer Cadet Wakanga Miradan Ataho, Officer Basic Training 1-year program, an allied student from Uganda. We have been equipped with skills of becoming officers of character as future commanders of our forces. The other thing, as a core value of Rwanda Defense Forces, the core value of discipline. And because of that discipline, it has equipped me with broader knowledge of managing myself as an officer to be, as a commander to be. So I thank RDF and Rwanda Military Academy for such knowledge that was given to me, and I promise from here to represent the values I got from RDF, the values I got from Rwanda Military Academy back into my country.
Encourage them to join Rwanda Defense Forces.
Our senior comrades did their part in liberating our country and rebuilding it. It is our duty as the new generation to sustain and protect what they fought for.